Okay. And an. An. These are based on your vowel sounds, not spelling. So vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds, A, E, O, U. Okay? Apple, apple. Vowel sound, an. An apple, an apple. Tomato, so, a tomato, a tomato. Hour is special. We write H-O-U-R, H. We say hour, hour, hour. So we write and say an hour, an hour. Horse, horse, a horse. An horse? A horse. Eight, an eight. Eight, an eight. Nine, nine, a nine. A one. Teacher Michael, oh. One. Oh, one, a one. A one, a nine, and eight. A horse, an hour. A tomato, an apple. Vowel sounds, and. Vowel sounds, and. Okay.